Ready to unleash your creativity? In this step-by-step Canva t-shirt design tutorial, you'll learn how to transform your ideas into designable art. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, discover insider tips and tricks that will elevate your designs and make your shirts stand out. Let's dive in and turn your vision into reality. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create t-shirt designs with Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals to create a wide range of visual content, including t-shirts designs. It offers an extensive library of templates, images, fonts, and design tools, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers to bring their creative ideas to life effortlessly. Alright, so let's come back to the top and you'll find here the button of sign up, but I already have an account, that's why we don't have it. So I will just click over home and you'll find the page what is this one as you can see. Right, but right now let's just discovering how the plans and price. And for example, we have here the free one, the pro one, the teams, and the enterprise. So for example, for the free, we have a design anything and bring your ideas to life. No cost, just creativity. Then we have here the pro one, a look premium content, more powerful design tools and AI features. Then we have teams, transform teamwork, grow your brand and simple workflows. And we have enterprise, empower your organization with an all-in-one workplace solution. So if you want just to discover someone, you have just to select it and you search more about it and then you get started with it. Right, so you have just right now to sign up and you get started by writing your email address and your password, then you'll find this page as you can see. All right now you have just to search for t-shirts and you click over here and you search for t-shirt as you can see and you find this template. All right, so for example, you have just to scroll down here and you click over see all and you'll find this page as you can see. So let's just select him. For example, I will select one template. For example, I will select, for example, this one. If you don't like this template, you have just to click over all filters and just select the category that you want. If it's dependent to business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, card and invitations as well. We have the style. We have modern, minimalist, simple, colorful, illustrative, illustration. And we have here the theme, for example, black, pink, clothing, typography, fashion, illustration. All right. Alright, then we have here grade, subject, topic, and we have also the price. I will select the free one and I will select here the black one. Then I will click over apply and we will find this template as you can see. Right, so for example, it's just chosen. For example, let's chosen this one and I will just click over customize this template and you'll find the page which is this one as you can see. This is how you can design your t-shirts. All right, so right now we have in the left other options and also for example we have here design elements, text, brand, uploads, drop. I will discover you all listings. So right now let's just click on over design and I will select the template that I think it's better. For example, I will just select this one if you don't like the first one, or you can just see someone is better on the design here. So here we have it. Right now I will just select here the color. For example, I will select this one or this one. So I think this one is better, or I think the black one. This one is better. All right, so right now I will just select this one. Also all these things because I will add mine. All right, as you can see right now I will just add some elements. For example, I will just search for the dragon like that and you'll find the elements here as you can see. So I will just click over graphics. As you can see, here we have the graphics. You have just to add whatever you want. For example, you have a various dragons here, like I will just add this one. I put it here in the color white because the black is invisible, for example, like that. And right now I will just here put it in the middle and modify the size, right? I think this one is better. Also here we have this one. We have another, you can just select the one you think is better. And also here I'll put this one again. So I'll put it here like that. As you can see, this one I put it here, and I will add, for example, something, and I will just let drag on, and I will add, for example, other things like this one. I think this one is superior, and I'll put it here as you can see. Then I will add right now a text or a heading. I will just click over add a heading, and I will just add whatever I want. For example, I will just delete this one, and I will delete this one. Then I will just put it here, and I will just add, for example, a dragon like that. As you can see, here we have it, and this is just an example of designing. You can just use whatever you want on the text elements design. Also, we have also here other option, which is print. You can add logos, colors, fonts. Then we have uploads. If you want to upload something like images, videos, audios, and also we have here the option of draw. And for example, I will select here the color white, and I will add, for example, my name here, or I will add here Canva, for example, or I will add a senator, as you can see, or I will add whatever I want here. Alright, if you did a mistake, you have just to click over and to come back. And this is how it looks firstly, as you can see. Here we have it. Right now, you have just also to add, if you want to here, for example, project application. Also, here we have the size or the zoom, sorry. Here the zoom out and the zoom in. Then we have here other view like timeline view. You can also select grid view, present full screen, and in the top right, we'll find the option of share. So once you click over share, you will find here share this design. If you want, for example, share it with your friends, you have just to copy the link. As you can see, for example, you have just to copy the link, and I can add also people or name, and also we have here option download, public view, and we have here see all. For example, if on a public view, template link, present on the card, copy the clipboard. We have also your save to folder, send to phone, embed, and website. For example, I will show you an option which is public view link. So in this one, you have just to click over create public view link. We have got a public view link to allow anyone to access a view-only version of this design. No sign-in required, and you have just to click over create public with, and you'll find this link. You can just copy it, and then you have just to click over open a browser, and you have just to paste it here, and you click over enter, and you'll find your template or your design of t-shirt. All right, so here we have it. Then you have just to share it after, find it, and also you can copy this one and share it with your friends. All right, so this is how it works with this one. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.